In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I steam block some of my crochet projects. This is my done rig placemat. First, you need to set your iron to a steam setting. I prefer to block from the back of the work, so I'm going to start by flipping my project over. And then I gently smooth the work out with my hands, flattening it, but not stretching or pulling it. If the work features delicate fibres, like the metallic fibres in this project, or very textured areas that you want to preserve the texture in, use a tea towel or something similar to protect these areas from steam. At all times, be very careful not to burn yourself. Hover your iron over the work, letting the steam make contact with the surface of the work. But don't let the iron touch the work. We're blocking the project, not ironing it. And if your project features heat-sensitive fibres, hover the iron at a greater height above the work than you would with more resilient fibres. This is 100% cotton, so I'm not too worried about it shriveling up or scorching. Keep steaming until all the areas have been covered. Now, while the work is still warm, gently flatten and smooth it out again. This is just to help the fibres settle into place. Don't stretch the work, just gently smooth it out. And be aware that your project might be very hot. Don't burn yourself. And that's it. One steam blocked project, all done.